Hey everyone, I'm Steve with iPromise, and we're excited today to go over the unboxing of your ZX Pro. We'll cover the contents and what you could expect to see inside when you first open up your device. And without further ado, let's get started. As soon as you open the device, you are greeted with your 6-step quick guide to get you started. You also have your user manual, any details you need to know about your new device. Should you lose any of the physical documents, don't worry, iPromise has you covered with a QR code you can scan to get any of those documents digitally. We'll go ahead and remove the foam insert. Inside you can see your device, charging brick with dual USB charging ports, your charging cable, and also a small reset pin should you need to reset your device. And we are ready to turn on our ZX Pro. Always remember, unplug the power cable from the bottom of the device. The device is designed to stay powered off while plugged in. We unplug, then simply press the response button on the back for 2 to 3 seconds, and you should see your menu screen light up. Now let's get familiar with your device. You have a menu screen up top with selecting different menus. You also have your 3 menu buttons, up, down, and select. And below that, a small reset hole should you need to reset your device. On the rear, you have your response button or trigger used to power on the device as well as collect responses during testing. We know that you and your patients are as excited as we are to begin testing M-Pod on your new ZX Pro. From everyone at iPromise, thanks for watching.